The future of transportation is taking flight, and China is at the forefront. Pioneering the development of flying cars, China is turning science fiction into reality. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a distant memory. The skies open up as a new frontier for transportation. Picture yourself soaring above congested streets, your commute transformed into an aerial journey. China's rapid advancements in technology and infrastructure are paving the way for this new mode of transport. With strong government support and a burgeoning ecosystem of startups, China is poised to dominate the skies. The future of transportation is here, and it is taking off in China. China's journey in the flying car industry is marked by impressive milestones. The nation has made significant strides in developing and testing these revolutionary vehicles. The goal is to launch commercial flying cars, or eVTOLs, by the end of 2024. Companies like XPENG and EHang are leading the charge with cutting-edge designs and successful test flights. Their innovations are turning science fiction into science fact, making the future of transportation a reality in China. China's government recognizes the immense potential of the flying car industry. They see it as a cornerstone for future economic development and global leadership in innovation. They have made it an integral part of the country's new economic growth plan, integrating it with other high-tech sectors. This commitment is evident in the substantial financial support and resources being directed towards the development of this sector. The low-altitude economy, encompassing drones, small planes, helicopters, and eVTOLs, is a key focus area. It is projected to experience explosive growth in China, transforming urban mobility and reducing pollution. From $70.8 billion in 2023, the market value is expected to skyrocket. It is projected to reach $278 billion by 2030, underscoring the significant economic impact. This growth highlights the government's belief in the transformative potential of flying cars, set to revolutionize urban mobility in China. Battery technology is the lifeblood of the flying car industry, and Chinese companies are making significant strides in this area. Overcoming the challenges of energy density is crucial for extending the range and capabilities of eVTOLs. Chinese companies are at the forefront of developing innovative battery solutions. EHang's EH216S, for instance, made history by becoming the first eVTOL to receive a production certificate. This achievement underscores the company's commitment to safety and regulatory compliance. Similarly, Autoflight's carryall eVTOL obtained a type certificate, bringing it one step closer to regulatory approval and commercialization. The successful integration of flying cars into our transportation systems requires more than just technological advancements. It demands the development of a robust and comprehensive infrastructure to support their operation. China is taking a proactive approach by actively developing vertiports and charging stations across the country. These vertiports will serve as dedicated hubs for flying cars, allowing for seamless takeoff and landing operations. The development of a widespread network of charging stations is equally crucial to ensure that flying cars can be easily recharged, much like electric cars today. I bet you didn't know that as we look to the skies, the future of transportation is unfolding before our eyes. China's advancements in flying cars are just the beginning of a new era in mobility. The prospect of flying cars evokes a mix of excitement and apprehension among the public. While concerns about safety, noise pollution, and accessibility are understandable, the potential benefits of this technology are too significant to ignore. Flying cars hold the key to revolutionizing urban transportation. Imagine a future where traffic congestion is a thing of the past. Flying cars can alleviate gridlock by utilizing airspace, freeing up roads and reducing travel times. They can also revolutionize emergency services by providing rapid response capabilities in situations where every second counts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates on the future of transportation.